Let me remind you of this my old video. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Area, have fun now. I first know say I dey colo, but I no know say my own colo pass this one. Although say the video don still old, one day my husband decided to take me shopping. So all the entire family, because the period wey we take celebrate birthday, e no dey around, e dey on trip. So as e come back now, e come carry me go this store wey e be say dey for dey sell wetin dey call am lujo. Okay, that is bag, clothes and all those things. So he come buy me one lujo, the black one. I choose black color. So he come buy for our own mother too. Then he come still buy for our own sister. So that same year, it is my mother's birthday. So we cannot buy anything to go and send to my mother from here. So he can still give me money when I go give my mother. That is 4 women. 4 women are celebrating birthday that year. So he just do it to appreciate us, to give us our birthday gift and everything. So I can carry my husband mother. Oh, go my husband mother. I just pack everything, go there. I say, me will do unbossing, me with my husband mother. Go reach Panto, go reach Breza. I buy all of them because you know, concern me now. They do unbossing. Now we can they bring out the gift, can they bring out. So me still buy one gift, give my husband too for his birthday when he was not around. So I surprise him too with his gift too. So it could be like say we call they even they share gift among us for that year for birthday celebration. My husband say make it satisfy all the women for the house. So you know, say if you not satisfied with the women, he not go get rest of mind now. So the necklace when I buy, I call they show my husband mother. I call even they use the neck till they do an experiment. It fine for her neck. I be see my husband mother even take the necklace. She say no, say make I leave her. See me with my husband mother. All these ones na my brains. I they use my husband mother till they play caricature. Because I dey do a boss here, I dey show her everything wey be say we buy and all those things. So Yama Mai, that is the name of the pint that I bought. Is a famous store here where they sell bra and pound. So I do go there to go and buy my pound and my bra all the time. So as they come no say I be content creator, they come so make I do advert for them. Oh. They can't even do sales for us. They come say make I do advert for them. So make I put their label, their names and everything for this for this cream in case of maybe any of my audience want order or buy anything. I say no problem. That day almost about because each bag is 200 and something euros. So almost about 800 and something euro now my husband spent for us. They cost to give me this money when they can't. So when I want give my mother for her birthday gift, see me put my own pint for head. My husband mother just they laugh me, go say, which kind of color woman when his son sees so but we do have fun together. See how they call say make I do the advert. So I call they do advert Italian Louis. That is a lujo, okay. I can't even they do the advert, they show now the circuit and everything. I really happy. Me with my husband brother, we come still go carry my husband sister bag, go give my husband sister. She was so happy. I could send the money, go give my mother. My mother was so happy. God bless my husband family and my husband. Amen.